Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into some new colors from Nailboo, and we're going to dive right into this mani with a Daisy Days. We are doing a gel method mani today, so you're going to see this dip powder colors perform with the gels, and you're going to really see the color payoff that you get with these new colors. So we are starting off with this beautiful yellow. Now, Daisy Days is the perfect name for this yellow. It is the perfect daisy yellow. It is not too bright. It is not too light. It's not a pastel yellow. It is a beautiful, perfect tone yellow. Now, yellows can be definitely hit or miss. They can either be too pastel, too bright, or a weird undertone to them. This one right here is beautiful, and it's definitely a great yellow to have because it's very buildable. You can see here with that first layer of this yellow just dipping into that, it's just this beautiful sheer yellow. It's very buildable. So this is what the yellow looks like with the one dip. I cured it for 30 seconds off camera. I'm dusting it off, and we're gonna go right in with another layer of gel base, and we're gonna do another layer of this beautiful Daisy Days. It's just such a fun name, right? So Nailboo released 3 new colors to their collection, and these are great colors. They are super fun for summer. You're going to be able to create a lot of looks with these, and these colors are super pigmented. So here's what it looks like with 2 dips versus 1. You can see it is packed full of that beautiful yellow punch, and I love it so much. So we're going to continue dipping into this yellow here. Now I am doing the gel method. The gels that I'm using are HEMA free. So if you have any experience, any gel allergies, these are going to be the liquids for you. And I treat my gel method mani the same way as I would if I'm using my dip liquids. When I am going in with that second layer, I am brushing off that brush before I'm putting it back in the bottle. So I did a second dip, and I'm going to show you what this nail looks like with 3 dips, only on this nail only, just so you can see the color payoff. So here is 3 dips versus 2 dips. It is gorgeous. Okay, so Airy Peri, this one right here, oh my gosh, this color is gorgeous. So it is like a periwinkle color. It has a slight gray undertone to it. It's very gorgeous, and I love the name. The names of these colors are just so fun. So here's one dip here of that beautiful color here, and you can see here, this is perfect. Like, it is, these colors here are just really good staple colors to have. And right here, look at the second dip right here totally is a game changer, and it really brought this dip powder to life. So I am dusting it off, and then I did a third dip off camera, and here is what we're working with. And we're going to add a beautiful pop of sparkle now and a touch of surprise with Hit the Floor. So right here, this is the sparkle dip powder of the mani. It is our accent nail. So you can see here, it's like a really pretty sky blue glitter. It's mixed with some fine, some slight chunkies. I did cure this for 30 seconds before I brushed it off, but there's also a surprise in this dip powder. There are these beautiful flowers in here. They are daisies. They are perfect for this collection. It is so fun. Now these flowers here, even though they look large, they are laying super flat to the nail, and they are just becoming one with this mani, and they're very, very easy to use, and they're just so fun. So you can see here, this nail is completely glitter without the flowers, and I'm going to shimmy up some flowers here, and I'm going to add some more daisies. So this dip powder here, you can really focus on either just having like a glitter nail without the flowers, or you can add the flowers. So it's going to be a game changer. Plus, you can use these flowers on some accent nails, which you're going to see here in a minute. But right now, I went ahead and picked up more of those flowers, and I'm just kind of moving them around the nail. Here, as many flowers as you want, you can add or take away from this mani. But I just wanted a simple, like 3-flower look for this accent nail since it was really sparkly. I really wanted to focus on like this sky blue. So I'm just going to make sure that I add another flower kind of like right there, and we're going to add a couple more. So it's kind of like this like flowery design kind of look we're going with here, but it's super pretty, and I just think it's so elegant and fun. A really fun way to make it a summer mani. Okay, so now to file and buff. These dip powders are super finely milled. So for filing and buffing, I'm honestly honestly just cleaning up the sides like you saw there, and I'm just going in with a light buffer, and that is it for this mani. That is all I did for filing and buffing. I'm going to dust off that powder, and now I'm going to go in with gel base here, and I'm not going to cure it, and we're going to add some fun flowers to this mani. So this dip powder right here, Hit the Floor, is really fun because not only can you do like full manis with this color and get that beautiful sky glitter look, you can also use these flowers for accent nails. It's just overall a really fun color here. So I'm just putting those flowers right up at that cuticle line for a really fun flower design. But options are going to be endless when you're playing with these dip powders. And then for this finger here, our nail here, I'm going to go ahead and add a couple more flowers here just to kind of tie it in all together. But these flowers are so easy to use, and even though they look like a chunky piece of glitter, they are laying very, very flat to the nail. Okay, to finish up the mani now, I'm going to seal it in with top coat, and I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And I'm going to go ahead and seal in this mani the rest of the nails off camera with the top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. And then here's the fun finished mani. Isn't this perfect for summer? It's just giving me like aloha kind of vibes with the flowers. The flowers are super fun and the colors are gorgeous. I really like the new colors that Nailboo came out with, and I really like that that glitter had some fun shapes to it. So you can either do like an all glitter nail or you can jazz it up with those flowers. I think it's just super fun in a really pretty 3 colors that they came out with. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, and I will see you all in the next upload.